in the weather taking place right at the moment. You may not know it. It's 13 degrees in Bournemouth at the moment, but it's 3 degrees in Aberdeen. And it's turning colder for all of us, and for some, quite substantially so. There's a good reason. The big anticyclone that's keeping us quiet has moved out of the way, and it's allowed this to come in. And if you follow the lines up, they come down from the Arctic. So what exactly has come in? Well, clearly a great deal of cloud, but with that cloud, and you might get an idea from the pattern, that's shower cloud. There are gaps in between it, and there's snow showers. For the Highlands of Scotland, the Islands, at the moment the Northern Isles, but I think later the Western Isles, down the side of Aberdeenshire to Lothian and the borders, that's the part of Scotland that will get 5 to 10 centimetres. They might just clip, though I don't think this afternoon, the North York Moors. Otherwise, it's rain showers just down the eastern side. Note the wind direction. It's right along the shoreline. Now, for most of the rest of England and Scotland, it's quite a sunny afternoon and relatively mild. I mean, even at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're still looking at double figures, I would think, in Cornwall and Devon, just the western side of Wales as well. And maybe, if you're really lucky, in Northern Ireland. This is despite a northwesterly wind, normally a cold wind, and quite a strong one. And I have to say the strength of the wind has been quite notable. So 3 o'clock this afternoon, there's a clear division in the weather type, and this is where winter resides. Will it make any more progress? Well, not a lot, to be honest. The wind will keep blowing in the same direction. The wind is bringing colder and colder air in, but the snow showers direct themselves down towards Norfolk, but they get no further inland really than just this coastal strip of England, including Norfolk. So overnight tonight there'll be a frost spreading down from Scotland. The blue is the frost. It's not a particularly heavy one. When the temperatures come up, you'll notice they're 0 to -1. But if you're standing in the wind, you'll see it actually does feel particularly cold. Not everywhere gets it. And during tomorrow, it's the same cold air across England that makes it feel pretty nasty, even in the sunshine. And there are the snow showers in much the same place. So the wind still blows, but there's a cut-off to that. This warm front sitting just to the west of Northern Ireland is where the warm air still resides. Now, I have to say, it'll make precious little difference to a lot tomorrow. Temperature-wise, 5 to 7. But with the strength of the wind at 4 degrees further east, even in the sunshine, it'll feel much colder for England and Scotland, a good half of Wales. So a cold start to the weekend. How does it finish? Well, it still looks pretty sunny and probably cold in this part of England, but unfortunately it's even worse for Northern Ireland and Scotland. There's rain coming into that cold air, probably a bit of snow on its front edge. But it's not until after the weekend that we get rid of the colth. Yes, there is such a word, I just invented it. And on Monday, I think with sunshine and a few showers, back up to 8 to 10 degrees. So we're in a short-lived cold spell, particularly noticeable, of course, in Scotland. Darren.